The ATAS software has a special feature that can be exceptionally beneficial for traders of micro contracts. Right here on the screen, we are looking at a currently active intraday chart of the standardized futures contract for light sweet crude oil. Over here on the right-hand side of the screen, which is clearly highlighted for you, is the ATAS order entry panel. If you now go ahead and activate the cross-trading function within the settings, you can perform a detailed analysis of the standard contract and then execute trades on the micro contract instead.